Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called cartel or cartelization. A cartel is an organization created from formal agreement between a group of producers of a goods or service to regulate the supply in order to regulate or manipulate the prices. In other words, a cartel is a collection of otherwise independent businesses or countries that act together as if they were a single producer and thus can fix prices for the goods they produce and the services they render without competition. A cartel has less command over an industry than a monopoly, which is a situation where a single group or company owns all or nearly all of a given product or service market. Some cartels are formed to influence the price of legally traded goods and services, while others exist in illegal industries such as drug trade. In US, virtually all cartels, regardless of their line of business, are illegal by virtue of American antitrust laws. Cartels have a negative effect on consumers because their existence results in higher prices and restricted supply. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development (OECD) has made the detection and prosecution of cartels one of the primary policy objectives. In doing so, it has identified four categories that define how cartel conduct themselves. Number one, price fixing, output restriction, market allocation, and bid rigging. Okay. However, there are a lot of disadvantages of cartels. Cartels operate at a detriment to the consumer in that their activity aims to increase the price of the product or service over the market price. Their behavior is also adversely impactful in other ways. Cartels discourage new entrant into the market, acting as a barrier to entry. Lack of competition due to price fixing arrangement lead to lack of innovation. Thanks for watching. Bye.